Well, Ray Tensing testified that that shirt came from a relative that had been to the Great Smoky Mountains, and that's where it was bought. But he said on that day of July 19th, 2015, he just grabbed it out of a pile, out of a laundry bag, and basically said it meant nothing to him. Most of Ray Tensing's testimony Tuesday was about his fatal encounter with Sam DuBose in Mount Auburn. But his attorney Stu Matthews said while he hated to bring it up, he had to ask about the Confederate T-shirt Tensing wore under his uniform.
Does a Confederate flag mean anything to you?
It has no meaning to me, no. I just grabbed it, threw it on. I never looked twice at it, never thought anything about it.
Prosecutor Joe Dieters asked about it on cross-examination.
Do you have any sense how offensive that T-shirt you wore that day is to the African-American community?
Sir, that T-shirt means nothing to me. I threw it on and never looked twice at it, never thought about it.
DuBose family members reacted strongly to those words.
I think that Tensing thought as little of my brother as he said he thought about that Confederate flag T-shirt that he put on that morning. Nothing at all. He thought nothing at all about his life.
Earlier, use of force expert James Scanlon testified that after reviewing the body cam video and other evidence, he concluded Tensing feared for his life when he shot DuBose.
Based on the totality of those materials that I reviewed, it became my opinion that Ray Tensing was not only justified, but his actions were reasonable and consistent with recognized police practices and training.
Using the frame-by-frame analysis of the shooting, Assistant Prosecutor Rick Gibson repeated that Tensing shot DuBose before the car moved a few feet.
Anything you've seen based on the work by the forensic video analyst Grant Fredericks that caused you to make you rethink your opinion?
No, sir.
And Julie, we have testimony over now, closing arguments tomorrow morning, and then followed by jury deliberations. Of course, at the end of the case, Stu Matthews asked for a directed verdict. In other words, he asked that the case be thrown out because the prosecution didn't prove his case. Judge Shanahan said no.
No. Okay. We'll see.